As you know, tea is a very popular drink in China, and there are so many different types of tea. Let's learn how to say tea in Chinese. 茶. Please repeat after me. 茶. 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 It's time to practice. First, let's review the drinks that we have learned so far. Water is 水. 水. Milk is 牛奶. 牛奶. Soy milk is 豆浆. 豆浆. Tea is 茶. 茶. Now, we're going to fill in the blank with the drinks in order. I'm thirsty. I want to drink some water, and then milk, and then soy milk, and then tea. Please repeat after me. 我口渴. 我想喝点水. 我口渴. 我想喝点牛奶. 我口渴. 我想喝点豆浆. 我口渴. 我想喝点茶. Well done! 好样的! See you tomorrow. 明天见. I've spent lots of time, energy, and effort into making this video for you to learn Chinese. Please give me a thumb up or share to show me your support. Thank you. If you need more of my videos, please search 11 Dreams Go-Getter Sabrina or search Learn Chinese with Sabrina. No boring grammar. Or visit my website at www.11dreamsgogetter.com. Have a wonderful day.